Hi, my name is Disha Kalbandi and this is my submission for task 11 of the TechnoHacks internship program. The goal was to build a simple machine learning tool that takes user input and gives predictions. So I built an app called MindGuard, a mental health sentiment analyzer that detects if a text contains suicidal thoughts or not. It uses a trained machine learning model and shows the prediction along with confidence level and explanation of why the models think so. Let me show you how it works with some test cases. I will start by entering a paragraph with deeply negative and suicidal thoughts. As you can see, the Minecraft detected this input as suicidal with high confidence. You can see the user interface here. It shows a pie chart. Also, it highlights the words that, that meet it predict this prediction. You can see the words like burden, numb, and no way out. Depending on this model predicted this output. You can also see it gives a small message related to the prediction. Like if you're struggling, please reach out for help. You're not alone. Now we will test another test paragraph. In this paragraph, you can see the person is clearly struggling but still holding on and trying to fight. Here, the Minecart correctly identified this as non-suicidal, showing that the tone is more about hope and recovery. Again, you can see the keywords like cope, move, forward, and fight contributing to the prediction. You can see the message here change. It is different from the last time, as this time the prediction came non-suicidal. Now we will test our last paragraph. It's a tricky one, where the suicidal intent is hidden behind the casual words. Let's test it. Even though the language is subtle, the mind guards still detect this as suicidal, thanks to the expression like empty, ending it all, and no excitement. You can see here. It shows all the analysis, all the words' contribution towards this prediction, and highlighted the words in the paragraph. So that was a quick demo of MindGuard, a lightweight yet powerful ML model. The goal of this project is to use AI for good, to help detect early warning signs in conversations or journal entries. This could be useful in therapy bots, support forums, or wellness check-ins. Thank you for watching and a big thanks to TechnoHacks and Sandip Gavit sir for this amazing opportunity.